The 2016 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. Come take a test drive today.